Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful 2014 Kia Sorento SXL V6. Semi-rare of a vehicle because it's such a high-level trim package for the Sorento that you really don't see these that often. But it comes with a host of just amazing features, and it is so beautiful. This paint on the outside is gleaming. No paint issues at all, and it's super clean. Not a lot of dings, dents, scratches. It's got these nice chrome wheels, new tires all the way around, and just absolutely beautiful car. It comes with 19-inch wheels, and then all of the calipers have red paint on them to where it gives it a racier look that is from the factory. And it does look good. It gives it that upgraded feel. You know, if you're getting the top trim level of a car, you know, it should look really nice. So comes with these nice clean and clear headlights. It's also powered by the gasoline direct injected V6. So I do like this engine a lot. It's a 3.3 liter V6, and all of Hyundai and Kia's V6 engines are just amazing engines. So no issues like sometimes they get with 4 cylinders. These are just rock solid power plants, so that's why the Kia Telluride and a lot of the Santa Fe's and the Sorentos and all those vehicles do really well just because that V6 is a really good engine. So it comes with 4-wheel disc brakes. The interior is just loaded with all kinds of features. It's going to take us a while to get through it all, but it comes with a smoke and pet-free interior, clean full leather seats, original owner's manual, nice clean dashboard, has HD radio, touchscreen navigation. It is missing the SD card, however, so will not pull up the map. But you can still use your phone for Bluetooth, still have the rear backup camera, dual climate zone AC, heated and ventilated front seats, has the UVO e-services system, connect your phone, and then auxiliary USB connectivity with dual charging ports, as well as dual cup holders, uprated amperage for AC input, and then also you can turn on or off the park assist, and it has an active eco mode, as well as nice spacious center console armrest storage, leather wrapped armrest, and then this beautiful black wood grain trim, very nice throughout, nice glossy finish, beautiful. It also has an infinity sound system, and then it has power windows, locks, mirrors, seats, lift gate, and panoramic sunroof, so the entire roof of the vehicle can pretty much open up. And at least for viewing, you can see the entire view of the inside of the roof, so you can see the night sky all the way back. So very, very nice. Factory floor mats throughout. Here's the updated or uprated amperage here for an actual house plug. Dual heated seats for the rear passengers. Also has a fold down center console armrest with dual cup holders, and then it also has a third row. So third row seating, and that can be folded down, as well as the second row here can be folded down. But very, very nice, luxurious space in here. And the seats fold down or recline back pretty well too. So as you can see here, this is a nice privacy sunshade manual that comes up, and that's a very nice privacy feature there. And then it also keeps the sun rays low, so in Florida, that's definitely important. So it comes with rear park assist, as you can see the sensors in the back. And we get some storage back here. It has our tools, our front license plate, cargo netting, and fold these seats down. They go flat with the pull tabs here, and then these also retract up, and then once you pull the tab, they retract back down, so you can still get a view. You don't have to be obstructed by the headrest. So push of the button, that goes down. As you can see, the rear backup camera there, the SXL V6 gasoline direct injection, all the designations on the back. And then it has just a little bit of paint missing right there, nothing too major. Rear spoiler, tinted windows throughout. Like I said, those brand new tires, that's always a nice feature to have, nice maintenance to be done. So sunshade on this side as well too. So same kind of features on the passenger or the driver rear too. So we get these nice running boards from the factory, and they have the chrome on the sides there to match the chrome roof racks and chrome around. So nice black on chrome, especially with the wheels. It all looks really nice. So we get power windows, locks, mirrors, and we get power side folding mirrors. So push the button and then the mirrors fold in on each side, as you can see there. Then push the button and they re-extend out. So on the driver's side we get lumbar support for the backrest of the seat, and then dual memory seat settings up here, fuel door release down below, and then on our dashboard here we get our traction control, blind spot detection, heated steering wheel, and interior illumination. Then we have automatic headlights, fog lights, and interval front and rear wipers, leather wrapped steering wheel, but then we get the nice black wood grain trim along the top, Bluetooth connectivity, volume controls, infotainment, cruise control, and then steering wheel feel, push to start. It starts right up. So steering wheel feel, that'll go from comfort to sport. Let's see what we got. Comfort, normal, and sport. Okay, so I usually leave it in comfort because it feels like butter smooth. Very nice. 140,000 original miles. No warning lights on the dash. The roar of the V6 feels real good. AC's ice cold. And then we get an auto dimming rear view mirror with HomeLink, and up top we have our panoramic sunroof. So click of the button and then the shade will go all the way back, and then it'll open up this huge sunroof. I mean, this is a huge sunroof, massive. And that is one touch. So then one touch back and it automatically closes everything up, including the shade. And we get illuminated vanity mirrors. Everything's properly working there. Sunglass storage, dual map lighting, and then you can control the lift gate from here, the sunroof from here, as well as the room or door lights. And then we get our rear backup camera. Displays nicely on this large, looks like an 8 or 9 inch screen. It's actually a very nice screen. Stereo sounds excellent. We get our clock up top. Turn on our ventilated seats. You can do that for the driver or passenger side. As you can see, the blue lights illuminate and everything's working. We can go and scroll through the menus here for radio, for service, user settings, down to empty. So a whole host of features. And then as you can see now, the panoramic sunroof is closed, but tons of room on the inside. Original Kia windshield, no cracks. Have this nice soft cloth along the A pillars, B pillars, C pillars, and all side impact airbags all the way back. So much safety, so much luxury, such a good price. You will not believe yourself on the price of this vehicle. Comes with keyless smart entry, so that's why you're hearing the beep, but unlock and lock the door from the black button on the chrome, and then you get this nice Kia key fob. So a keyless smart entry, push to start, so many luxury features. I mean, we've gone through them all. It's almost been a 10-minute video just for this Kia Sorento SXL fully loaded V6. You can find exclusively on our website at meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like or comment on any of our videos because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.